F450 dump truck with electric bed. Truck is in great condition with all tires that are almost brand new. Rust-free Florida truck. Call me right now if you want to buy it at 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. Visit bigboyhotrods.com. bigboyhotrods.com for more trucks for sale. Running as I speak. It has ice cold AC. Everything works like it should. Let me demonstrate the bed for you. Goes up and down. Everything works. I can also assist you with shipping right to your doorstep. Call me at 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. Tranny shifts all gears. Truck blows cold air. Call me right now and we can make a deal. Visit bigboyhotrods.com. bigboyhotrods.com. Call me right now to purchase this vehicle. Thank you.